Hi, we shall study today theorems 6.3 and 6.4. Those are of triangles of class 10 and CRT. So we start the theorem 6.3. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion and hence the two triangles are similar. यानी कि हमारे पास दो triangles है ABC and DEF. Corresponding angles are equal means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. ये दिया हुआ है. So we have to prove corresponding sides are in the same ratio means AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. This we have to prove. So in these two triangles ABC and DF, these angles are equal. A is equal to D, B is equal to E, C is equal to F. Now what we do? We cut DP is equal to AB. This DP is equal to AB. ये हम कट करते हैं इसमें. And DQ is equal to AC. उसके बराबर कट कर लेते हैं. तो इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को देखते हैं ABC और DPQ को. Triangles ABC and DPQ. These two triangles are congruent. How? We have cut AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, and these two angles are equal. So this will be SAS, isn't it? So these two triangles are congruent. Means what we get? Angle B is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle P. Congruent triangles. Angle C is equal to angle Q. This angle. And we are given angle B is equal to angle E. ये दोनों ये दिया हुआ है हमको. So what we get? Angle P is equal to angle E. We get angle B is equal to angle P is equal to angle E. Okay, angle B is equal to angle P is equal to angle E. So what we get? PQ parallel EF. Corresponding angles P and E. These are corresponding angles. These are equal. So PQ parallel EF. So we have got a relation dP by P is equal to dQ by QF. dP by P is equal to dQ by QF. ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. We have got another relation जिसका हमें काम आएगा इसमें. dP by DE. See, dP by DE is equal to dQ by DF. ये रिलेशन है. ये दोनों अगर पैरेलल होता है तो ये रिलेशन रहता है. So dP is equal to AB. dP is equal to AB. So we can write AB by D is equal to AC by DF क्योंकि DQ बराबर AC हमने काटा. So what we get? AB by D is equal to AC by DF from here. Okay. ये एक प्रूफ हो गया. अब अगर हम मान लिया B पॉइंट को E पर ले आए और we cut AB is equal to this one E से समथिंग यहाँ तक एंड BC is equal to E से यहाँ तक कट करें तो we will get this line parallel to DF. So similarly we can prove that so we get AB by D is equal to BC by EF. तो हमें इन दोनों को मिला करके क्या मिल गया? AB by D is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. This relation. So these two triangles are similar. Theorem 6.4. If in two triangles the sides of one triangle are proportional means in the same ratio to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. मतलब हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? ABC is a triangle and DEF is a triangle. So sides are proportional, means AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. This is given. Okay, this is given. Now we cut AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Okay, DP is equal to AB, DQ is equal to AC. So we get dP upon, and we join PQ. Okay, we join PQ. We get dP upon PE. You see, dP upon P is equal to dQ upon QF. See, straight away it is यहाँ लिख दिया गया है, इसको याद रखना है. dP upon P is equal to dQ upon QF. अगर ये बराबर कट करेंगे तो वो रिलेशन आएगा. ठीक. So we get PQ parallel EF, dP upon P अगर dQ अपॉन QF के बराबर हो जाए तो ये दोनों पैरेलल हो जाएगा. ठीक. So we get, now we get another relation. अगर ये दोनों पैरेलल हो गया तो what we have, dP upon DE is equal to dQ upon DF is equal to PQ upon EF. इस छोटे ट्रायंगल में और बड़े ट्रायंगल में एक एक साइड ले लिए, वो प्रोपोर्शनल होगा. ओके, सो व्हाट वी गेट दिस रिलेशन. नाउ dP upon DE is equal to dQ upon DF, same, is equal to, here it is PQ upon EF, PQ upon EF. So PQ upon EF will be BC upon EF. Okay, so we have got now triangle ABC and triangle DPQ are congruent because all the three sides are equal. This is smaller triangles, congruent. Okay, if it is congruent, then we get angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E is equal to and C is equal to angle F. ओके, क्योंकि ये तो पैरेलल जब है तो ये इसके बराबर है, एंगल P इज इक्वल टू एंगल E. ठीक है, जब B अगर P के बराबर है तो B E के बराबर हो जाएगा. सो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल E and angle C is equal to angle F. Very simple. I think you have understood it. So if you just subscribe. Thanks for listening.